I'm gonna be telling you 4 of my favorite online business ideas that you can start this year right away. Let's go. What is up guys, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn more about making money online and starting your online business, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, here's how it works. You join an affiliate network where you find products you can sell or link to and make commission from it. So the next step would be to find a specific product to sell online that you can resonate with and can make money with. And finally, you go ahead and sell it. Basically, you refer a product or service of a company by sharing it on a blog or your social media platform, podcast, or website if you have one. So each time someone makes a purchase through your unique link associated with the recommendation, you earn a commission. My recommendation for 2 really good affiliate networks are Amazon and ClickBank. But Amazon is the best one to get started with if you are new. So to join Amazon, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is go to amazon.com, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find Make Money With Us. That will take you to become an affiliate and that's about it. And you join and get started. But comment down below if you want me to make a detailed video on how to get started with affiliate marketing. Alright, the next one is influencer management. With the massively growing influencer industry, now almost every influencer needs help to manage and respond to their emails. They need help for someone to manage especially their brand deals and sponsorships. Influencers get offers from all different brands every single day. It can be very overwhelming and unfortunately they are not able to respond back to a lot of them, which makes them leave a lot of money on the table. So that's where you as an influencer manager comes in. You just help them by answering all their emails for them, closing a deal and keep them up to date, and you earn 10 to 15% commission. If you want to earn a higher commission, you can reach out to several brands for the influencer, and when you get a brand deal for them, you can earn a 20% commission from it. But even with a 10 to 15% commission for answering all their emails is not bad at all. So for example, if you close a deal with a company who pays the influencer $10,000 for a video, you make $1,000 or $1,500 in commission. You can reach out to TikTokers and YouTubers by emailing them and you should be able to find their emails in their profiles. This business honestly has a lot of potential and if you take it seriously, you can make a good income from it. Okay, the next one is to start a podcast. I'm sure someone you know or a friend might have told you that you should start blogging or you should start a podcast. And even if not, you can start a podcast by talking about anything. You can teach people anything that you have knowledge of. And if you don't have anything to teach, you can absolutely start a podcast of maybe murder mystery stories. And if not that, then maybe just interview people. But I'll have to say this, podcasting is not going to make you money soon. The most popular way is to earn by offering advertising on your podcast. It is one of the easiest and fastest way to get rolling. So a brand or a business or a person will pay you, the podcaster, for a spot on your show. All you have to do is promote whatever it is at the beginning, middle or at the end of the show and you get to decide where you put these ads. What you can get paid depends on the number of downloads and CPM, which means cost per 1,000 impressions. The average for podcast I would say is somewhere around $20 to $50 per 1,000 impressions. But this is just one of the things and there are a lot of other different opportunities in the podcast industry to make a good amount of money. Alright, the next one is to sell digital products on Etsy. You can become an Etsy seller by creating and selling digital products on Etsy and build a passive income for this year. Okay, so there are so many options. You can create coloring pages of mandalas, motivational quotes, you can create planners, habit trackers, etc. Like the options are truly endless. You need to create them just for once and upload them on Etsy and list them and that's it. You can sell how many ever copies you want. Your customer will get to download them as soon as they purchase and most importantly, you don't have to deal with any sort of inventory. I have 2 digital Etsy shops and it is a pretty good passive income source. But let me know in comments below if you want me to do a tutorial on how to list your products and how to set up your seller account on Etsy. To learn more about making money online and starting online businesses, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit like and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.